You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these names once and for all correctly. The name of a retail chain for all sorts of things, DUIs. How do you pronounce this brand name? If you want to learn more, stay tuned, I've got more videos for you. It's pronounced Lowe's. No, I'm just kidding. Lowe's is how it's pronounced. I hear some people saying Lowe's with an S sound because it's got an sound at the end. It should be a Z sound, a Z sound. Lowe's. Lowe's. I mean, if you say Lowe's, that's kind of okay. But it's normally how to pronounce the pronunciation in English, including American English, US pronunciation, Lowe's. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.